If you want an easy tool to build beautiful emails and simple web pages, which is perfect for WordPress users, marketers, or small business owners, then Dragit might be a tool worth to checking out. Dragit lets you design email templates or simple page layouts using just drag and drop and without requiring any HTML knowledge also. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover tools that save time, reduce your hassle, and make your online presence more professional. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the Dragit with its lifetime deal price. And by using the link from description, you will get some discount on the Dragit and the discount will be applied automatically. So check the link from description and grab the offer. Now let's dive into Dragit offers, how it works and when it's a good choice and when you should be careful also. Dragit gives you a full drag and drop editor for designing email templates or basic web pages. You don't have to write any code. The editor provides building blocks like text, images, buttons, spacers, dividers, and social icons. So you can structure content just by dragging the blocks into place. One big advantage is the speed and ease of use. If you are not a developer or don't know the HTML or even the CSS, you can still produce professional looking emails. Dragit also gives you more than 300 pre-designed templates and you can start with. That means you get a ready design and just tweak the text, images and colors to match your brand. Because of this simplicity, Dragit is ideal for small businesses, freelancers, bloggers or agencies who want to send newsletters, promotional emails, updates or simple marketing emails without depending on developers or complicated software. Another strong point is the flexibility. Dragit lets you export the templates as HTML so you can use with many email providers or export to the compatible email marketing system. That means even if your website is on WordPress, you can design with Dragit and then send it via the whatever email platform you use. The lifetime deal on AppSumo, this option makes it more attractive. Instead of paying monthly, you pay once with the lifetime access, the template storage and the updates, all of the thing, which save you money over the time. For many small business or the long-term projects, this is more cost effective than the recurring subscription models. That said, as with any tool, there are trade-offs and things you should know before depending fully on Dragit. Because Dragit uses the drag and drop blocks and pre-designed templates, there is a limit to customization. If you want very advanced unique designs, complex layouts, interactive elements, custom responsiveness, and custom tweak, you might hit limits. So users also report that, for example, like image uploading sometimes fails when images are large. HTML export can cause a minor glitch like a missing character in a URL, which you may need to fix manually after export. Another point is while Dragit promises support for the web pages beyond the emails, many reviews suggest that for lifetime deal users, only the email builder is solid. And the advanced page builder like the pop-ups or the multi-page website building, this might be limited or missing. Also, because behind the scenes, the tool produces HTML suited for emails, which have many restrictions, you should test your templates on different email clients like Gmail, Outlook, or mobile, or etc. to ensure they are render well. Drag and drop email builders generally may produce to bloated HTML, which sometimes leads to inconsistency. A common challenge with email builds versus the hand-coded or custom-coded templates. Putting all together, Dragit is a very good option if you want to design email campaigns, newsletters, or simple marketing emails quickly without coding and without paying the recurring fees. It is especially useful for small businesses, freelancers, agencies, or anyone who wants to manage email marketing with easy. If you value the speed, simplicity, reasonable long-term cost, and don't need the complex custom design, then Dragit is worth to trying. But if your business requires heavy customization, advanced web page building, or tight control over email code and the performance, then you should be ready to check and adjust exported templates or consider more advanced tools. So that's it for today. I hope now you understand, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of honest and easy and helpful reviews, then please subscribe to Easy Access Tech and don't forget to check the link from description to grab the Dragit at its lifetime deal. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.